Dudes and dudettes, welcome back to the RBM Dumbass Crew. Now that we got the FXR done, it's time to work on our new project, the Yamaha the Yamaha Diversion. And what we have to do with this one is, Mr. B, tell us.
Chain and sprocket needs to be changed. Front fork seals. She had an argument with gravity, so we're gonna have to weld the bracket on this side.
On the cowl, fairings busted off.
Yeah, and get an LED light in it, because the light is nothing much.
Oh, okay.
For the main lamp unit. Just fix some damages from the fall. That's it.
So that means my Harley's going to take a little bit longer. We haven't got the parts in yet, so what we have to do is we have to wait for the parts to come in. They'll be in tomorrow, so that means we'll be able to start fixing it next week. But we can start getting all the preparations done now, like taking off the chain and sprockets, taking off the fairing, and doing a few other little details. So that's really important to start off with this episode. It'll be short,
but sweet.
but sweet.
Whoa.
Damn.
That hasn't been cleaned in a while.
What's that?
Holy shit!
Brand new. That's where all the grease from the chain goes.
Ah!
That's dirty. I'll look at this.
I found my beer!
The one from last week?
It's still cold.
No shit, Sherlock. That's for the handbag. If you need a purse like a man, you carry too much shit. You just need to take your balls out of it, put them back.
Hey, Mr. M, give me that blue.
Blue pill?
The blue pill?
No, not the blue, the other
Oh,
one.
you want a red
The other blue thing.
Yeah, the dark
This
blue.
one.
Yeah. I saw it.
The wheel is spinning. We need a piece of wood.
Yeah. So shall I do the rest?
The rest is...
Now that you can't break it anymore? Yeah.
Yeah.
This one goes to the... over the teeth.
Get that one too. Get that one too.
The guide? No, that's enough. That's your guide.
Okay.
Just go back a little bit.
Then put it on.
I'd like Philip and Pepper.
Let's get this one over this. Over the rivet. Slim. This one goes here. Now just press it out. Yeah, now it's off completely, because that's your locker. That's the lock pin.
Can you put it back like that?
Yeah,
It'll work.
just like that. And that's it. The chain is broken. Drop the chain. Boom. From rotation, this side is different from this side. You see the angle is like flattened here. It's a bit longer than here. So that's the first sign of wear. Look, it's by its weight it should be straight. And now here's a heavy point.
Kinks in the cable.
Kinks in the cable, so to say. I'm on the bridge for now. Yeah, we got a box for those. Did you give the box away?
Oh, come on. Can I do the rest?
Alright. Yeah, just careful for your skin.
Don't hurt yourself.
I'm not
Mr.
pressing down.
Mr. M, don't hurt yourself. Be careful.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Put it on correctly. Was it not?
No, he
Yeah.
was talking to me.
Wait a second.
Oh, damage.
See, I told you, don't hurt yourself. Now you hurt yourself.
This one.
Yeah.
Extra tape.
You want to
Extra
keep going,
one,
or do
this
you want
one.
do you want us to take you to the hospital now?
No, it should be.
Can't.
Ouch.
That's what. Careful, because your hand's gonna hit these.
You go like this.
Always.
See?
That was already.
I think those have been those are, this one maybe.
Taking the tail wheel off
Tooth wheel.
the round thingy.
Sprocket from the round thingy.
The round thingy.
A lot of them are good. Some are smaller than others. Some are warped.
So, because your chain is,
Yeah,
that's why your chain is so unpredictable.
yeah. So this thing is probably oval. It's not even round anymore.
That's why she feels it.
This is going in the garbage.
If you want to weld this one, I need the plastic removed.
Yeah, otherwise you're gonna melt it.
I can't even reach it
You can't reach it anyways.
because this is broken. This one came off.
What?
Because she complained about the rattling noise, but
Yeah, that's this.
not from here.
I'm gonna show you the parts because it's Monday today and we got some parts in. So now we can start working on the rest of the bike. And it is day 2. And we're gonna put on the sprockets, the chain, and the rear tire. We'll let you see that. And we're gonna show you what's in the box. That's a big sprocket. And this is the chain. 52, 520 times 2, gold. Ooh, expansive. So you got it in today, did you?
Yeah,
There you go.
delivered at my
Hey,
neighbors.
let's see your hand, what you did yesterday, taking off the sprocket. Look at that. Cut it wide open. That's healing pretty good. That's what you get when you're young. Oh, nice and shiny. Where's the other one? Show them the other one. Let's put them beside each other and see what it looks like.
There's a difference though.
It's different, same size.
There's a rubber.
We got another box here. And guess what's in this box? Guess what's in this box? Let's see what's in this box, guys.
It's empty as well.
Nothing! It's just here in the way. Look at that. Oh, that's a nice one. Now there's a big difference. So we're seating now. So we're going to play the big ratchet. Torque wrench.
There's a difference between American and Japanese bikes.
Oh, what's that?
The Japanese always use dust caps on the bearings.
That's
the
right.
Harley always open bearing.
We put ceramic grease on there and not regular bearing grease because apparently this stuff gets wet.
I can always refill it every two times a day.
Oh ja,
Oh ja, lekker was.
ein golden Kette.
Oh ja.
That's where we put the new link. And then it just gets popped right in there with our special tool.
Trusty assistant who fucks up plenty of times, but keeps everyone sharp.
And special O-rings.
That's the whole thing.
And lubricated.
Met een special O-rings.
Text outside?
Always.
Text outside.
Text outside.
Yeah, I was looking at this one, so it was text. I was already looking, so I'm ready.
Maybe a little frisbee for the neighborhood kids.
Yeah, let's give it to the kids to play around with.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. So we got the chain on, and we adjusted the wheel to the right specs to make it kind of straight, or kind of, it is straight, with the little marks that we have on the swing arm. And now we're just tightening up the main axle nut. That has to be pretty tight. And then just tighten everything down, and then that's it for the sprockets and chain. All right, listen closely, folks. We spent about an hour, hour and a half just changing the sprocket, and the well, it took us about half an hour to take everything apart too. So it took us about 2 hours in total, and that's not really hurrying, just taking our time and figuring out how the chain linkage system works, because we've never used one before. We used to do it the old-fashioned way. It cost €100. That's what, $110, $120 for a sprocket and chain set. It took us, let's say if we really worked hard, hour and a half max to fix it. You don't need a bridge to do this. You could just put it on the middle stand and work from there. In other words, for $100, we fixed it. And if you were to go to a dealer or somebody else that has a professional company, they can do it just as good. And they're probably maybe even half an hour quicker because they do this on a daily basis. But if you want to save money, you can just do it yourself. It costs you $100 and a couple hours of your time.
And some homework.
But the satisfaction of getting it done yourself and putting that $100 or $200 extra that you would have spent at a dealer in your pocket makes it so much more worth. Wouldn't you guys say?
Yeah.
There we go.
I'll drink to that.
Yeah, you'll drink your lemonade to that.
I'll drink my lemonade too.
So just do it yourself. Give it a shot. Check it out on YouTube and internet. Google it. You know, it's not really that difficult.
It's not rocket science.
It's not rocket science. That set that we bought was only $15. You know, it sits in a garage in the corner until you have another time you have to change your chain or sprockets or whatever. Do it for a buddy. You know, help him out. That's it. That's all it is. So next, what we're gonna do is the front forks, the seals, and the oil, and then we're gonna replace the fairing on front. Mr. B's got to take it home and glue some stuff. We have to do a little weld on the side, and then it's all good. So we'll see you guys on the next one.